How gorgeous is that, right? It is such a lovely evening. Right, look, this quick lesson is don't take action. Don't take action. Take massive action. Now, have you heard that before? I've heard that so many times from Tony Robbins, but also what about Grant Cardone? 10x. All right, now what you can take from this is this. If you think that you know how much action you need to take to get results, then just think about where are you at the moment in your life? Have you got what you want? Are you getting everything you want? Are you making the progress that you want, that you desire, that you dream of? Are you doing that? And if not, is it possible that you could just take twice as much action? Could you double your... Oh, Jim, seriously, what's that? Jim, that's wet. Could you... Sorry, that's Jim, hello. Could you double the action that you're taking? Could you triple it? Could you possibly 10x it? Think about the things that you're doing, think about the things that you've done with regards to making progress, making money online, etc. And could you do a lot more? I'm reckoning that you probably could. And can you imagine if you did do a lot more, the kind of results that you'd get? Can you imagine how your life would change if you suddenly said, all right, Trev, this is my commitment to you. I am going to do 5 times the amount of work that I normally do with regards to getting results in this business. Would that make a difference to you? I'm going to tell you that it would make a massive difference. Just make some notes. Make some notes of what you've done so far. Have you actually taken any action? Have you taken any action on any of the courses that you've bought from me or any of my courses, any of my trainings? Have you done what I've taught you to do? If not, the first thing in order to, 5 times what you're doing is actually start that, all right? Go back to the courses, go through them, do what I tell you to do, but then do it on a much bigger scale for yourself, all right? For yourself and for your future. Because now is the time to do that, Now is the time. The internet is enormous, and you only need a tiny, tiny little bit of that cake, right? A tiny slice of the internet cake to get the kind of results that would change your life beyond belief, all right? Absolutely change your life. And the internet is more important now than ever. With the way things are in this world, everybody's turning to the internet. So get a piece of that action, 5x what you've been doing. And if you've not done anything yet, start and then 5x it. And then look at where you are in 6 months' time and come back to me and say thanks. You can say thanks now if you like. That's it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Give me a thumbs up. Say hello in the comments. If you've got any questions, let me know. But more importantly, take care. All the best. Trevor.